ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ their exact values cannot be obtained. If there is no exact square root of m, then root m is irrational. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ root of that m exact value ನ find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is irrational. A non-terminating and non-reoccurring decimal is an irrational numbers. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್, ನಾನ್ ರಿಯಕರಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಪೈ ಈಸ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ √2, √3, √5, ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ to prove √2 is irrational. ಈಗ how to find the square root of some number by division method ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬೈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು 7 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ ಟು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 7 ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ 7 ಪೇರ್ಸ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬೈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 1 into 1 is 1. 1 ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ 2 times ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. 24 into 4 is 96. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದ √2 is irrational. This division method we have seen in our previous video, how to do this division method. Next we will see the basic operations on irrational numbers. Now first we will do the addition. When you add 2√2 plus 5√3, we will add these two irrational numbers, √2 minus 3√3. Therefore √2, therefore 2 plus 1, 3 √2. 5 minus 3 is plus 2 √3. Now subtraction. 2√2 plus 5√3 minus of √2, 3√3. Therefore 2 minus 1 is 1 √2. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 5 is plus 8 √3. This is the subtraction of those two irrational numbers, and this is the addition of those two irrational numbers. Okay. Now multiplication of two irrational numbers, that is 6√5 into 2√5. ರೂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ 6 into 2 is 12, √5 into √5, 12 into √5 into √5 is, that is √5 whole square. 1/2 square ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to 60. Next operation division. Therefore 8√15 divided by 2√3. For 8 √15 we can write 3 into 5, √5 into √3, that is 2 √3 cancel, 2 1 4, its value is 4√5. This is the division of two irrational number. Next, to prove √8 plus 5 is irrational. Now let us consider, let √8 plus 5 equals x, some number x, and we assume x as rational. ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬಂದರೆ it is contradiction. Therefore we will check root 8 plus 5 equals x. Now squaring on both sides, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x square equals 8 plus 25 plus 2 into 5 root 8. A square plus b square whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 8 plus 25 is 33 plus 10 root 8. That is 33 plus 10. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 4 square 2 ache barutte. 2 into root 2. That is 33 plus 20 root 2. This will be equal to x square. Therefore 20 root 2 equals x square minus 33. ಈ 33 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ LHSಗೆ x square minus 33 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore now root 2 equals x square minus 33 by 20. Now we know that root 2 is irrational. ಈಗ LHS irrational ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ RHS ಕೂಡ irrational ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this will be also an irrational number. Therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅನ್ನೋದು rational number ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore x will be the irrational number. Therefore root 8 plus 5 is also irrational. ಇದು ಕೂಡ irrational number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now if a and b are two positive numbers such that a into b is not a perfect square, then a rational number between a and b is a plus b by 2, and an irrational number between a and b is root of a into b. Now we'll find two rational number between 2 and 3. Because 2 into 3 is 6, therefore which is 6 is not a perfect square. Therefore 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 5 by 2. Okay. Now again this find two rational. Now a rational number between a and b is, this is one rational. Again we will find 5 by 2 plus 3. Therefore 5 plus 6 by 2, that is 11 by 2. Therefore two rational numbers are 5 by 2 and 11 by 2 between 2 and 3. These are the two rational. Similarly irrational number. To find the irrational between two irrational number, root of 2 into 3, that is root 6. Okay. Again root 6 into root 3, that is root of 18. Therefore root 6 and root 18 are the two irrational number between 2 and 3. Root 6 and root 18 are the two irrational number between 2 and 3, and 5 by 2 and 11 by 2 are the two rational numbers between 2 and 3. Next, a plus b root x is equal to c plus d root x. Then a equals c and b equals d. Example, 5 plus b root 3 will be equal to c plus 2 root 3. Then c will be equal to 5, then b will be equal to 2. This is the property. Next one, the negative of an irrational number is an always irrational. Okay, negative of an irrational is irrational. The sum of rational and irrational number is always irrational. ಈಗಿನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, that is root 8 plus 5. This is a rational sum of, and irrational number is rational. Now the product of non-zero rational number and an irrational number is always the irrational. The sum, the difference, the product and the quotient of two irrational number need not to be an irrational number. Example sum, this 2 plus root 7 plus 2 minus root 7. Root 7 cancel. 2 plus 2 is 4. Therefore 4 is not irrational number. If you add two irrational number, the result may not be irrational number always. ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ root 5 plus 3 minus of root 5 minus 3. Therefore plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 plus 3. Root 5 cancel, that is 6. Next product, 7 plus root 5 into 7 minus root 5. That is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. 49 minus 11, 38. Now the quotient, 4 root 75 divided by 7 root 3. This equals 4 25 into 3 divided by 7 root 3. Therefore 4 root 25 into root 3 by 7 root 3. Root 3 cancel. Root of 25 is 5. 4 into 5 by 7, that is 20 by 7. The union of the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers is called the set of real numbers. And the real numbers includes both rational and irrational numbers. Therefore real numbers include rational and irrational. Rational fractions ಮತ್ತು integers ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Integers ಅಲ್ಲಿ negative numbers along with whole numbers. Zero and natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, this is about the irrational numbers. Thank you.